Hi, my name is Kyle. I'm the creator of MyTradingBuddy.ai, and in this video I just want to give you a quick demo of how I use the app when I'm trading. So I always start 40 minutes or 30 minutes before the market opens. Now I trade mostly only New York session and sometimes London, but mostly New York. So at roughly 9 a.m. Eastern or 8:45 a.m. Eastern, I'll begin to start my analysis. And so when you first create a chat, you're going to see this basic info message just letting you know how to use the app. So you have a markets tab, and within markets tab you can just quickly see what active markets there are, any economic events that you have tagged. I'm only tracking US related economic events. And you also, when creating a chat, you tag your trading plan, and your trading plan has all your rules and your account capital, and then also the instrument that you're trading. This is very important because the AI within the chat will know everything about your trading plan, the amount of capital that you have, and the trading instrument. So you can ask it, what's the best trading idea based on my plan? After you've done a lot of analysis, like so, you sent in images, and now all this is combined into the chat for the AI to know. So like if I'm only at 1% risk, maybe it's only saying do 3 micro mini contracts for NASDAQ futures, because that's what this chat is about, NASDAQ futures market. And yeah, so this is just London session. I started some analysis, and you can see here the images that I sent, etc. So one point I want to make is that if you use MyTradingBuddy.ai, what I have found through trading is that I would at least recommend volume and candlesticks. This will help the AI think better because it's all about data. And if you give it good quality data, it can produce better results and higher confidence in its trade ideas. So I use TradingView, and I like to have volume profile, volume. If you want, you can have daily high, but I also recommend VWAP. So if you were to have anything, volume, candlesticks, VWAP, and if you want to get really technical, Ikomoto Cloud or SMA, moving averages. And this, the AI can see this image. So it knows that this is the idea that it produces will be measuring against these data points on the image and provide you a better trading idea than if you just send a raw chart with no volume. If you know anything about trading, this will make sense to you. So this is why my charts look a little crazy, is because I found that I can get this confidence, even though this one's kind of low. This confidence factor can go up from the AI. So let me show you one that maybe has a higher confidence. 66, 59, 65, 65, 60. So this one's 75%. I'll give you a breakdown why. So this confidence factors, it's liking this trade idea. Remember, this is the trading idea. Short, enter here, take profit here, and as you saw, this one actually just hit. It would have worked out. I don't really trade London, so I didn't take this trade. But this trade idea has a confidence of 75%. And you can see the calculations here. It gave 80% confident based on trend and structure, 70% based on the Fibonacci, 90% based on the indicators. And these are like the indicators like daily high, daily low, VWAP, SMA, Ikomoto Cloud, etc. And you can like read the AI's reasoning. So awaiting a retest and clear rejection of the SMA 10, Ikomoto Cloud line, and this Fibonacci retracement level, etc. So this is what I mean is you will get a higher quality answer if you use certain indicators within your chart. Now, I still have gotten success just using raw charts and volume because the AI can still calculate these numbers because the AI is very good with math. But anyways, you get this whole breakdown and you'll see more. This is less percentage, etc. And if you saw the previous videos, this is where MyTradingBuddy.ai will really help you avoid making dumb trading mistakes. I myself am new to trading. I'm mostly a developer. And it's stacking up all these ideas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And you send it, so I sent it 1 hour, 15-minute time frames, 5-minute time frames, 4 hours. And you can see that all of this combined into this overall consensus trading idea. And if you just follow basically this overall consensus idea, you should do pretty well. It's best to, if you are an experienced trader, it's best to take this data and confirm it with whatever you see on the chart. This MyTradingBuddy.ai is supposed to enhance you. Make less mistakes and make more winning trades. That's really it. And so previously I mentioned your trading plan. So this is where it really benefits because you can tweak your trading plan. And this is really another framework for the AI to think through. So watch. What is my rules for short entries on my trading plan? So based on this trading plan, higher time frame context, which is 1 hour, 4 hour, etc. You have to show clear bearish rejection, down for intraday, entry zone, etc. And then your trading plan has your risk per trade, so it can calculate how many contracts you should do to match your trading plan. So I only risk 1% of my capital per trade, and this is my capital, 50,000. And so it will say 12 mini contracts for this trade idea. And one of the really more powerful tools within is your ability to speak with the AI. So if you like to be hands-free and trading is, you're looking at the chart and sometimes you don't want to go back and forth, you can choose this speaking mode right here.
Right. Based on your Tradeify trading plan, your short entry rules include a higher timeframe bearish context, intraday bearish market structure, entry zone confluence like resistance levels or ICT concepts, and bearish confirmation at the entry. Strict risk management with a 1% risk per trade and logical stop loss placement are also key.
Okay. Yeah, so what's my psychology checklist?
Your psychology checklist for pre-trade checks includes asking yourself 2 questions. Am I calm and focused? And am I doing a FOMO? These help you ensure you're in the right mindset and not making impulsive decisions.
Okay, and can you see my screen right now?
I can't actually see your screen, but I can still provide analysis based on the available trading data and your trading plan. Let me know if you need any specific information from the charts.
Yes, please try to see my screen again.
I understand you'd like me to see your screen, but I'm unable to view visual content. I can still provide assistance based on the information provided and the trading data I have access to. Just describe what you're seeing, and I'll do my best to help.
Please see if you can see my screen that I'm sharing.
I apologize, but I still cannot view your screen. My capabilities do not include.
Please try to see my screen right now.
Sure, I can see your screen. It looks like you're looking at the NASDAQ 100 E-mini futures chart on the 4-hour time frame.
So what I did here is reset the connection because sometimes the screen sharing, you have to reset in order to screen share versus just voice. And what you can see is I push this mute button, and now the AI should be able to talk and see this chart. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen now. It's the NASDAQ 100 E-mini futures chart on the 4-hour time frame.
Yeah, so what chart pattern do you see for me?
Based on the current chart pattern, it appears to be a bearish continuation pattern, often referred to as a bearish flag. The price has been declining and is currently consolidating in a slight upward sloping range, which could indicate a potential continuation of the downward trend.
Okay, and what session is open right now, like London or New York or whatever?
The London session is currently open. The New York session will open in about 2 hours.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know if you have any other questions.
No other questions, thanks. So you see there, that was the process. Now you can share your broker screen as well, and you can even ask like, what should I buy, or calculate real quickly. If I buy right now and I exit here, how much am I going to make? Or will this trade match my trading plan? And everything like that. So if you do use the share screen, sometimes you just have to reset it. Since I used it earlier, that's the only thing, but it works most of all the time like that, which you just saw. And so these tools should really allow you as a trader to be able to, one, know exactly what levels to look out for in a chart, and two, always have your trading plan available via the AI knows everything about it. So If there's a certain checklist that you need to follow along, just ask it and make sure that you're following this. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoy the video. I'll be making more videos as I take some prop firm challenges, just using the AI to help me come up with the best trading ideas possible. And once again, if you ever want to see the history of trades, just come in here and you can scroll through. And make sure you follow or subscribe. And if you want to visit mytradingbuddy.ai, you can sign up there.